Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to start a basic business. If you're interested in becoming an entrepreneur and starting your own business, this video will give you some helpful tips and advice to get started. Step 1. Identify your business idea. The first step in starting a business is to identify your business idea. This could be a product or service that you're passionate about, or something that you've noticed is in demand in your local area. Take some time to research your idea and make sure it's viable. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have your business idea, it's important to develop a business plan. This should include details on your target market, competition, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. A good business plan will help you stay focused and organized as you start your business. Step 3. Register your business. Next, you'll need to register your business with your state or local government. This will involve choosing a business name, obtaining any necessary licenses and permits, and registering for taxes. It's important to get this step done early on to ensure that you're operating legally. Step 4. Set up your business operations. With your business registered, it's time to set up your business operations. This could include finding a location for your business, setting up a website, establishing a payment system, and hiring employees if necessary. Make sure you have all the necessary resources in place to run your business effectively. Step 5. Launch your business. Finally, it's time to launch your business. This could involve a grand opening event, advertising your business on social media, or reaching out to potential customers in your local area. Be creative and think outside the box when it comes to launching your business. This is your chance to make a strong first impression. Conclusion. Starting a basic business can be challenging, but with the right mindset and resources, you can make it a success. Remember to stay focused, be persistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.